hello check, mic check. This is the favorite part of the video where I check the mic. इधर देखना है. I have to look. Hello you all, welcome back to my take 2. हेलो यू ऑल पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. आशा करती हूँ आप सब कोई कुशल मंगल एंड चंगल होंगे, क्योंकि मैं तो हूँ शायद नहीं, मैं ठीक हूँ. लेकिन मेरा जो ये वॉल है ये कुशल मंगल नहीं है, बिकॉज दिस वॉल इज लाइक not matching the aesthetic of my room, not matching my aesthetic. So इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया है that I am going to DIY बहुत सारे paintings, art forms, etc. And I will be decorating this wall which is screaming loudly, do something about me, and I'm finally going to do something about this. So with that, welcome back to my channel, and I am going to be consistent. I hope so. Okay guys, so why you should see this video? Because मुझे लिपिन आर्ट नहीं आता था. Literally, I have never tried लिपिन art. So this is probably my first video where I'm doing लिपिन art from scratch. Yes, I have used this DIY kits and all that, but वहाँ पे भी ना बहुत कुछ pre-designed रहता है. Because I'm doing this from the scratch and I know what are the do's and don'ts and what are the challenges you might face. This video is for you if you are really looking forward to do lippin art or any such art form. Okay, first thing first is your MDF board. You need to get a good MDF board. I know there are people who say that we can do it with the cardboard and all that. Okay, you can do it. I'm not saying you cannot do it. But if you want it to be long lasting, if you want it to be कि वो लंबा चले, I think then you should be using a good MDF board. Yeah. Because you prime the MDF board, उससे क्या होता है ना, there's a good grip between the clay and the board. Okay, when you do it directly on that MDF without priming it, वो फिसलता रहता है. So this is again one of the tips that I would like to share because it is my first hand experience. Now this is the most crucial part because this portion tells that how well your clay is mixed. Take equal portions, take some powder, talcum powder, mix it properly until the color turns one single color and you get to know that your clay has been molded perfectly. This is good for your lippin art. Now comes the mathematical part. Take the mid center of the MDF, divide into first 90 degree, then divide into 45. You got 8 slices like a pizza. You are done. Now let's start making the clay threads. I am using this sponge kind of thing which actually helps to make my clay very smooth and very evenly textured. See, such a long thread and it's unbreakable. Ab jitna feko todo, it will not break so easily. So yeah. So yeah, moving ahead, आगे बढ़ते हैं. And then on the day 2 basically मैंने already mirrors चिपका दिया था. One more very important thing, first you varnish it. Okay, one thing I have not done which was my mistake. First you varnish it all, ठीक है, and then you put the mirror. You need to first do a homework. हम जब ऐसे कुछ न्यू एक्साइटिंग प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं ना, हम ऐसे बहुत हमारा एक्साइटमेंट हाई में होता है एंड वी डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. आई वुड रादर टेल यू फर्स्ट ऑन अ कार्डबोर्ड यू प्रैक्टिस. अगर आपको अच्छा बनाना है तो गाइस, ठीक है, इफ़ यू वांट टू बी प्रो, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट, अ वुमेन ऑल्सो, बोथ. लोटसिंग नहीं हो रहा. In my lippin art, the lotus is not lotusing, like it is not blooming. मुझे तो नहीं अच्छा लगा. You tell me in the comment section how do you feel. That's it for lippin art, and if you are making a lippin art, please do tag me. I want to see कैसे आपने किया है, आपका lippin art कैसे बना, and don't get scared, just get started. See, the problem is not that you don't know or you are a beginner. The problem is that you are not starting only. तो स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे तो जानोगे कैसे कि आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपकी शक्तियाँ कितनी है। सो अगर आप अपनी शक्तियों का आभास करना चाहते हो, ओ माय गॉड सो मच ऑफ हिंदी, अगर आप अपनी शक्तियों का महसूस, अगर आप शक्तियों का एहसास, अगर आप अपनी शक्तियों को जानना चाहते हो, सो यू नीड टू ट्राई, यू नीड टू टेक अ रिस्क, यू नीड टू एक्सपेरिमेंट। स्किन इज ऑल्सो स्किनिंग टुडे। पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि विंटर्स आते ही मेरे बालों का बैंड बज जाता है, बट नहीं, इस साल मैं नहीं बजने दूंगी, इस साल बचेगा गिटार। फाइन, माई मिस्टेक, माई बैड। सो अंटिल देन, स्टे ट्यून।